Hello everyone, welcome to the review of the Kimpton Maa-Lai Bangkok Hotel. I'm going to take you on a hotel room tour. The room type is King Premium with green lung view, including rooftop bar, evening hour, and breakfast. Kimpton Maa-Lai Bangkok is a 5-star hotel in IHG chain located in Lang Suan neighborhood. There are many hotels lined up in this area and Sinton Kempinski is just right next to it. The hotel is just opened in 2021. It's a modern, cool, trendy hotel as well as their restaurants are also famous. Also, they are pet-friendly hotel, which not many hotels in Bangkok. I stay in one King Premium with green lung view. The green lung view is supposed to be the Lumpini Park view, but in reality, there is the Kempinski view block view and the park is far behind. The room size is 77 square meter premium room. The bathroom is really big and long. Walk-in closet is well designed, and the amenity is from Horn brand. Complimentary are only the drinking water, coffee, and tea. The rest, they will charge you. Here is the big bathroom with a separate bathtub and shower room. An evening happy hour served at the 3rd floor. Alcohol drink and special drink free flow for 1 hour. This is the same floor as swimming pool, gym, and spa. Here is the rooftop bar named Bar Yard. You can enjoy the city view of Bangkok as van reservations are required for the window seat. This restaurant is very famous at the moment. They serve the Mexican food. And here is the main dining area named Stockroom. They serve a breakfast with good quality and nice presentation. As the hotel is just open, so everything is new. Facilities are very well maintained and modern. The swimming pool is not very big but very nice atmosphere. For the gym, they are very well equipped. I have got a staycation package, a great value package with a hotel credit. It is a great place to staycation in town with your pet. In the other hand, the guests who are allergic to the cats or dogs may not suit to this hotel. However, the restaurants are worth visit even you are not staying in this hotel. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more hotel review. Thank you.